Dr. Israel Safo Edini Juma ewo Kantanka Hospital Limited na Dr. Ebetnase of Fonton from Jumedie so no dia to just say ene yesan ye nuane ahodo a yedi ene nuane nura ahodo a eya na akuafo dodo no ede peti no ba ene so ansana maso ama won ate ede aba adwaman so nti se yede ani efemu ewo mbabunu no mu yade a eba won so bebre no a embubuo yade mitre stroke ena edoso
yaka eno niembra the rising courses no like I say see young people within the ages of 35 to 59 also the bracket
35 to 59
yes and it's even lower than that young below that 30 years no so for my mom society example last month more young girl very young na by name one because this one the rampant because just 2 months young people under the age of 35 with strokes. So ask yourself, and take it as part of history. If it be social history, you ask about we are more worry, or more juma, and need the more life.
My deeper na meeting.
Omonum san, omonum smoky, any other. It will interest you to know say not 3 of them abuse shisha.
Come again.
3 of them. A man and a make one seven. Omunya strokes no. Not 3 of them. Enom shisha.
Shisha alumni.
Yes.
Trying to come out.
Lifestyle they eat at night like anytime because akochere nwumre afa na obefie oba be ye noodles bi okwan ho no abedi anadwo abonso aguso no akoda ade ye ken obokọ no na nipa ni hypertension no ni BP nipa ni BP ekra ye normal but no onya ischemic stroke ayite because say unya high lipidemia na say o cholesterol so na say bad cholesterol no kosora and say o fat no edoso woni padua mu a ebitimi etu into the walking through the bloodstream no na ko and the brain no vessels no a supply moja adwin they are very tiny vessels very tiny it is a bibi kakra bi kakra bi ko na ewuram na ndimi wura na ko block it so fat na ko block access brain benya they receive blood because the vessels are very tiny it is not after the na hono ntimi receive blood
nyame na ye wa wo niema wo ye
yes
na kusi ho kwai
oh yes mostly stroke the area mostly a lifestyle